My daughters thought I was making thalipeeth, but then they found out this is a Sindhi Koki. I made it for the first time and honestly, it turned out absolutely perfect. Take 2 cups wheat flour, add crushed ajwain, cumin seeds, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Mix everything well with your hands. Gradually add 1 tablespoon oil, mixing it well into the flour. This is the moyan. Should easily form a ball and spread when pressed with your fingers. Check if the moyan is enough. Take a little flour in your palm and press it. Add 1 medium chopped onion and a handful of chopped coriander. Add 2 tablespoons besan. This helps with binding and adds extra flavor. Gradually add water and knead into a slightly hard, coarse and flaky dough. Don't make it soft like a regular roti dough. Add a little oil on the top and let it rest while you heat the tawa. A larger than usual portion of dough because koki should be thick. Take a ball, flatten it with your hand and then gently roll it with a rolling pin using a little dry flour if needed. Cracked edges are actually a good sign. They show that the dough has the right texture. Make a few slits on the top using a pizza cutter. Place it on a medium hot tawa. Once one side is partially cooked, flip it and cook the other side. Apply ghee or oil on both sides and cook slowly until beautifully golden and crispy. Since koki is thick, cook it on a low flame for around 5 minutes so the inside cooks properly without burning the outside. Traditionally, it's served with papad and curd, but today I am serving mine with tomato chutney. And trust me, it's absolutely delicious. Perfect for breakfast, dinner, or even the kids' tiffin.
It's good, very delicious.